Hello families, welcome back to my channel, my old subscribers. Thanks for always tuning in to this channel, and my new subscribers turning to this channel for the first time. You are all welcome. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to design your toenails with your favorite color. Please don't forget to share this video, because sharing is part of caring. First thing, you clean the old polish away. Guys, can you see? You remove the old polish. So after that, you begin to clean the nails before you apply your polish, your new polish. So clean it very well. When you are done with the first leg, you go ahead and clean the second leg. And when you are done, guys, this is the cuticle softener. You apply it to the nails to make it soft, very soft, for you to use the cuticle picker, and you will find it very lovely when you are using the picker, for you not to injure your clients. So you apply it. So first thing, guys, you sterilize the cuticle picker by putting it inside the dissolver, and it's advisable for you to use new one. In case your client doesn't want to use the new one, that means you are sterilizing it before using it. So after that, you go ahead and you begin to use the cuticle picker just to pick the cuticle area. As you can see, you hold it gently not to injure your clients, and you have to be very careful while using this cuticle picker. So guys, that's how you keep going with this lovely tutorial. After that, you begin to file the nails to your favorite shape. When you're done, you use your buffer. You buff it from the head and the side, but before you use the file, just to file it very well. After that, you begin to use the buffer. Can you see this? The buffer, you file it very well to make it smooth and to make the polish look very neat. So when you're done, you clean the particles away from the toenails. Then you begin to apply your hardener. You also use your wool to clean it, to make it very neat. So after that, this is how the leg is looking like. Can you see it's looking beautiful already? So now guys, you apply your hardener. It's called hardener here in Nigeria, and you can also call it, say, top coat. So you use it to base the nails first before you go ahead and you apply your favorite color. So you apply it to the other leg, and these are the color we selected here. So our client is using just 2 color out of these 4 colors. So guys, just stay tuned and enjoy it. And this is the bobby pin we're using. So you just go ahead and you apply your polish. We're applying red. It's not shouty red, it's just a cool red. So you can apply any of your favorite color. So after that, you base it first round, then you come back again and coat it the second time, and that's the second time we are coating it. So after, when you are done with the second coating, you go ahead and you begin to design the nails with your favorite color. You can use any of your favorite color that will suit the leg, and this is the red on the toe. Now you go ahead and you open the bobby pin into 2. Then you begin to use it as dotting pen by using it to dot the polish. Can you see, guys? So you repeat the same thing to the toenails, everything. And when you're done, you apply the second color as well by dotting it beside the previous one. Can you see? This is how you dot it. And this is the second color. Make sure the second color does not cover the first color. And that's all. You leave it to dry like 10 or 15 minutes, and you apply your top coat. Thanks for watching. See you.